whether it is George Clooney or whether it is Ben Affleck, or whether you will go gaga singing their praises, or maybe you will lust over them day and night. But when it is a woman, she's a control freak. She's a bitch, stuck between Stree and Pushpa. Remember? For like 2 weeks. 2 weeks में ये अभी जो November 22nd I was thinking about. But this is a good time probably. Yeah, we'll know.
She's a very sweet person to work with.
Mostly I'm very soft. No, 90% time I'm.
हाँ, मतलब
very easy to.
ऐसा नहीं रहता कि immediately आप उनके सामने बैठे और वो आपको जज करना शुरू कर दें.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with two extremely talented people, Kangana Ranaut and Shreya Salpade. So nice to have you all.
Thank you.
कहीं ना कहीं वो है कि आपको creatively control चाहिए ताकि आप इतने passionately feel करते हो अपने project के लिए that you're not able to trust someone else with that. Is it that's why you want to jump into like every category of the film?
No. See, what happens is that when a man does the same thing, he's a maverick. Whether it is George Clooney or whether it is Ben Affleck, or whether you will go gaga singing their praises, or maybe you will lust over them day and night. But when it is a woman, she's a control freak. She's a bitch. She just wants to, she wants to do every job. So I think this is not the right parameter, because when you direct, you obviously want to engage with as many people. So essentially my endeavor was that there is this great opportunity and great people that we have from not just India, from across the world, and I wanted to indulge with them. I can be on the greatest set, biggest director and the great crew, but being an actor, my interaction will only be limited to the director.
Right.
I will never get to meet the sound designer. I'll never get to meet the dialogue writer. I'll never get to meet probably other actors unless they're not in the scene with me. So there is this huge scope of people. If in fact it is the contrary to that, you want to just have time of your life. And that's why you decide to do so many jobs.
No, absolutely, very well said. For you, both of you all actually. इंडस्ट्रीज में इतने उतार चढ़ाव देखे आप दोनों ने अपने लाइफ में और इतने यू हैव कम सो फार आफ्टर सो मच. ऐसा कभी लगा कि क्विट करना है? व्हाट्स केप्ट यू गाइस गोइंग, बिकॉज बहुत ही अनप्रेडिक्टेबल इंडस्ट्री है
और कुछ आता ही नहीं है. नहीं, बट ऑफ कोर्स उतार चढ़ाव आते रहते हैं, बट देन यू लुक एट अदर actors or other people that have gone through the same, and then you probably look at them come back again with full force, or with in fact renewed energy, and prove themselves yet again. And then you feel, and if you have good family support, then that makes a lot of difference, because there are times when you don't believe in yourself, and that's the worst thing that can happen to any artist for that matter. But then there are people who believe in you, and they keep telling you that it is just a matter of time, it's a phase, and it will pass. And it does pass, and then things start changing again. So you just have to hold on till that time, and then things start changing again.
What about
I'm sorry, but I have such a great feeling about the film now. Yes, she has gone through a lot in these last 3 months or so, but I just feel that this is the time for the film, This is the time for emergency, and it is releasing now. I think it will just probably do wonders at the box office.
Yeah, last year was too cluttered also. We had, we were stuck between Stree and Pushpa, remember? For like 2 weeks. 2 weeks में ये अभी जो November 22nd I was thinking about. But this is a good time probably. Yeah, we'll know.
it happens when it's actually meant.
Yeah.
Yes.
आप believe करते हो उसमें?
आई डू बिलीव इन डेस्टिनी, और हर एक चीज़ का टाइम होता है. और सबसे बड़ी बात तो है कि अगर मैंने जो देखा हुआ है लाइफ में, कि अगर आपको भगवान वेट करा रहे हैं किसी चीज़ का, हर एक हार्डशिप का एक मैसेज होता है, एंड वी आर मेंट टू लर्न दैट मैसेज फ्रॉम दैट हार्डशिप. सो जब आपको भगवान वेट कराते हैं किसी चीज़ का, तो दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट रेडी फॉर इट. so you have to be ready for it. So आपको उस चीज़ का आपको ख्याल होना चाहिए, and you should be ready for it. Now whatever the outcome of this is, that means I was not ready for it. You understand? So we'll know what was it in some few days.
No, I'm sure it will be great. But कहीं ना कहीं do you feel life बहुत change हो गई है politics के बाद?
Yes, my life is, you know, it's a very different, unusual world for me. Different new people, everybody is new. Whereas हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में वही है, कितने हम लोग, चलो 40-50 नहीं तो 100-150 लोग होंगे, उससे ज़्यादा तो है भी नहीं।
छोटी सी इंडस्ट्री है।
छोटी सी इंडस्ट्री, आप एक अवार्ड फंक्शन में छोटे से हॉल में हो जाता है, पूरा 100-150 लोग आते हैं वहाँ पे। तो हम लोग सबको जान चुके थे, पहचान भी चुके थे। अभी नए लोग हैं, किसी को ना जानते हैं ना पहचानते हैं, तो न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑल टुगेदर।
Shreyas, I want to ask you, you know, we look at her as such a vocal, strong, opinionated woman who, you know, is so self-made and powerful. But have you ever encountered उनका soft side? And what is her soft side? अगर set पे देखा हो तो।
Wow. No, you know, as a person, वो it's you know, she is opinionated.
Yeah.
She has very strong opinions
Yeah.
about everything, but that doesn't mean कि वो हर वक्त वैसे ही होती है. You know, उनको जो लगता है वो बेधड़क बोल देती है. But otherwise, as a person, you know, she's a very sweet person to work with.
Yeah.
Mostly I'm very soft. No, 90% time I'm
हाँ, मतलब
It's very easy to.
ऐसा नहीं रहता कि immediately आप उनके सामने बैठे और वो आपको जज करना शुरू कर देंगे. It's not like that, you know. About a particular thing, she has a point of view, and she says it. There are many people who don't say anything, you know, but they do have an opinion. But that doesn't mean कि वो soft spoken नहीं है. She's a very sweet person at heart, you know, and we've had some really amazing conversations.
amazing times,
you know,
amazing
on
times.
set. So, and it has got nothing to do with the industry or politics or anything. It's general, random, about life, about, you know, personalities and things like that. So I think that aspect of her, not many people are aware of.
Exactly.
Unfortunately, जो खाली दिखता है, it is the, you know, the strong woman side of her that comes to the forefront.
Yeah.
But otherwise, as a person, you know, when you meet her, when you talk to her, is when you realize she's not like that. She's not completely like that. There's other side to her which is so sweet and gentle.
Yeah. Which is what I'm asking. You'd
Yeah.
like to add something to that?
No, basically I'm a very soft. I'm a very gentle person, and I think it's quite evident even from the film that I've made.
Yeah.
It's a very. I'm so gentle on the people even that I should be judging. So no, the whole thing that a woman can only be either opinionated or independent, or she can just be dependent and just softy. This is such a wrong notion about women, you know, generally. You can be a complete independent person and yet be rooted in your feminine and be very soft and gentle and needy of people. You know, if you're needy, then they judge you. If you're independent, then they judge you. You can be all of it and yet not be defined by any of it. So I think it's very important that we just not box women into these kind of characters.
Absolutely. Is there any other historic topic जो आप, you know, in the future उसका हिस्सा बनना चाहोगे या ऐसा कुछ बनाना चाहोगे, तो वो कौन सी एक चीज़ होगी as individual जो आपको इतिहास के बारे में इतना intrigue करता है?
I don't know.
I don't know. अभी तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ,
अभी तो we should just first see emergency, how people react to it. If they want to see something like, you know, historical, अभी देखते हैं अभी तो.
Sure.
Right now, I think people are more interested in what's happening in the other person's life. You know, कि इनके घर में क्या चल रहा है पहले तो वो दिखाओ. So the historical कितना, but you know, we are waiting for emergency to really do well in theaters.
Absolutely. And जाने से पहले मैम, I'd like to ask you, you know, आपकी एक्टिंग की चर्चा तो होती है, लोगों को इतना पसंद है, बट लोगों को आपके फैशन लुक्स इतने पसंद है. Day one से people have been so appreciative of the way you dress up.
I'm a free-spirited person, you know, like if I feel, I don't dress up for anybody. If I feel like, you must have seen last time when I was doing promotion, I was just wearing saris because I was so tired. It was immediately after our oath and session, and I was just so tired and I felt so bloated and tired all the time. I wore mostly saris, whereas this time around I was resting. So, you know, I said, ये tag के साथ पड़ी है dress, इसको पहन लेते हैं आज. So, you know, I don't dress up to prove a point or something. And probably That's the best thing to do. You should dress up for yourself, not to prove a point to anybody.
What I mean is, like, we love however you dress
Thank
up.
you.
So,
Thank
you know,
you.
people have always loved it. And lastly, if you had to make a film with someone, who would you probably make it after Emergency?
If I have to make a, you know, I don't go after people. You know, I go after stories, and people come along.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the best thing to do, actually. Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Wishing
Thank
you
you.
guys all the very best for Emergency.
Thank you.
And you know, it'll do really well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.